everybody, this is a quick unboxing of some braids that I just received about 10 minutes ago, and I'm so excited. It is the Zoey braid, and it is the curly wavy goddess Zoey braid, and it's from Freetress. And let me show you the packaging. "26" and I'm going to open up the box and show you. I just think it's so beautiful. The color is OT30, and let me open this up so you can see it. So it's like a 1B, 1 to 1B at the top, and then more of a 2 as you go down. So take a look. So it's a box braid that's wavy, and it's for crochet. Isn't that beautiful? And then it's just wavy at the ends, and I just think it's so gorgeous. I'm going to put it in within the next few days, and then I'll post a video once it's in. So isn't it pretty though? I love it. I love the color. This is the color I've been wearing for a long time in different ponytails and wigs and such. And also, I've told you guys before that I have very thin hair in the front. And so I'm going to have to put some netting over the front of my hair and the crown of my hair. I've got thick hair in the back, but very thin in the front. So hopefully it'll turn out okay, but I'm going to have to do the netting to protect the hair that I have, and to actually be able to attach some of these crochets to areas where there's very little hair or thin hair. So anyways, wish me luck, and I hope you like it. This is what it looks like. Okay, take care.